introduction part to Python. In this video, I am going to explain about how to perform arithmetic operations and the basic programs on arithmetic operations. Okay. Now, see, whenever you install Python, hope all of you installed Python. Then when you install the Python, if you want to open Python, in the search box, search for IDLE. Search for IDLE. In my system, it is not there. Check. Everyone, please open IDLE. Right. Meanwhile, let me explain. Right. So today we are going to discuss about operators, few arithmetic operators we discussed in the last class. Now briefly, what are arithmetic operators available and what type of problems will come on arithmetic operators? The first thing is how many operators are available. Arithmetic operators, totally 7 arithmetic operators available. 7 plus, minus, we know that multiplication, division, mod, we know common all these are, double slash, double asterisk. Let me explain briefly about all these things first. Right. Plus, minus, multiplication, okay. Come to that division and mod. Division and mod. One is a division, mod, floor division, asterisk, exponent. This is division. What it will return? Returns quotient after division. And this is remainder. Returns the same. Returns remainder. This is floor division. Floor division means returns floor value. You will understand. Floor value of division. And this is exponent. What all these? Suppose first concept division. Division. If you are giving suppose 5 by 2. 5 divide with a 2. 2.5 times. Important. 2.5. There is no data types concept in Python. It will give 0. It will give 0. Division. Okay. For example, if it is a remainder. If it is remainder, it is looking for the remainder value. We also call mod operator. Same one, 2 dividing with a 5. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. The remainder is 1. Remainder is 1. It will give only that 1. See, understand the difference. Here what will happen if you use division, right? Here it is, it will give with a decimal part also. With a decimal part also it will give. If this one, it will give reminder, so no decimal part. If you go with the decimal part, reminder will not come. The third one is important. Sir, I don't want this. I want this 2, not 1, not 2.5. Very important whenever we are working with palindrome number programs and strong number programs and all these are. This is floor division. So what is this floor division? Same 2 divided with 5. 5 is 2.5. 5 times 0. Division only happens. Division. But floor of 2.5. Floor value of 2.5 means least value. That is 2 will give. 2 will give. That is right. Only integer part after division it will take. From this 2.5, what is the integer part that will give? That is actually called floor value. That's why we call it as floor division. Next one is exponent. Exponent means what? Just like a power value. Power. For example, here it is a 2 exponent 3 means what? 2 power 3. That is 2 into 2 into 2. 8 will give. For example, 3 power 2 is nothing but 3 square. 3 into 3 is a 9 will give. 9. Right? The power values giving. These are the things available. Now, what we are doing, we are executing all these programs. Let me install. Okay. Yeah. So once you have installed, we need to search for IDLE. In the last class, we already discussed that. What is IDLE? IDLE is an IDE. IDLE is an IDE. IDE means what? Software by which we can develop the applications, nothing but write and run programs easily. Nothing but quickly we can do. That's why we are using so many IDEs are there, but this is the default IDE is called IDLE. Is called IDLE. So we need to search for IDLE. Just click on that. Everyone open that IDLE, go to the search box. Open IDLE. I'll explain about IDLE now. Yes. See, when you open IDLE, this window will open. This window is called shell window. Shell. In this shell window, you just execute the program. But you cannot write the programs. For example, 2 plus 3. Execute. Addition of two numbers. How we are writing? A equals to 10. Just generally I am showing that. B equals to 20. C equals to A plus B. And saving this C. Printing that 30. Okay. Now my question is, Sir, can I save this? Impossible. You cannot save. Shell means just to execute the commands, where you cannot execute the programs. So where I can execute? See, see, in this file, go to that new file. Everyone, please look into this. New file, click on this new file. Then another window will open. Keep this one right side. Another window will open. In this one, you can write the programs. Here, A equals to 10, B equals to 20, C equals to A plus B, adding, followed by printing the C value. This is program. Here you can write program, then file, save it. File, save. Sir, where I can save? On desktop, suppose. On desktop, create one pack, create one folder. Not from here, from outside you can create. Suppose on my desktop, I am creating one folder, my Python, suppose. Any name you can give. My Python. Keep these two files side by side only. File, save it. Now on desktop, click on desktop. My Python. Search for my Python. Double click, open. Here give that name. Add.py. Add.py. That is one by one, orderly. If you want to do one, add py, save it. Then simply run it. Run module. See output you can see here. Whenever you run this program, sir, where I can see the output means what? In this window, you can see the output. In this window, you can see the output. Okay. Whenever you have installed, one more time I'm explaining. See, whenever you install Python, search for IDLE. Click on IDLE. This is called shell window. Here you cannot write the programs. You can execute simple commands like 10 plus 20, 2 into 3. But sir, addition of two numbers program I want to write. Okay. Click on file, new file, new file. Then this one, keep it right side. Better make it two side by side. Like this. Keep side by side. Side by side. A equals to 10. B equals to 20. Adding, and printing. Simple way. No data types required, nothing. Just here it is. File, save it. On desktop, for example here, create one folder. That is also I'll show you again. Here create one folder, new folder. My Python, suppose. Create the folder. After creating the folder, now save into that folder. Save. Desktop, search for my Python, open. Is the first program. Which program? Add program. .py. Add py. And then save it. If you want to run this, see, run module F5. Shortcut also there. You will get the output here. Again, if you want to run, yes, you can. You will get the output here. right? Sir, if I want to increase the font means see in options, configure IDLE is there. Configure IDLE. Here you can change your size. Some large size if you want to put, you can do it. Do the simple one first. File extension. For every program, there is a file extension that is called Python file extension py. Right? Suppose if it is Java file extension is .java. If it is text file extension is .txt. Right? With the extension only, it will understand which type of file it is. Word file extension is what? Microsoft Word file. DOC document, or the new one is DOCX. In the same way, Python file extension is py. Please do this, everyone. Practice while learning. So whenever I'm explaining, you keep doing the complete task. Suppose if you get the doubt, if it is not working, please drop the code in your chat box. I'll clear itself. Everyone, please open your IDLE. Go to the file menu, open the new, write the code. Please do it, everyone. Please drop the message once you have completed. Please do it quickly now. Don't sit idle. And if you just attend the class, nothing you will get. Nothing. I'm watching. If you are thinking, okay, everything is understandable, very sure you will not get. If you practice and check the output, then only you will get. Right. Now performing all arithmetic operations is the second one. Second one. So file, I'm taking that new file. Or every time save as. Suppose here, file, save as. Copy. Second one is arithmetic .py. Anyway, it's a save as type is a Python only. It will take automatically. Or just I'm giving py is Python. Now here all arithmetic operations I want to perform. Okay, so first I'm taking two variables, a equals to 5, b equal to 2. It's very important one. Like other languages, a equal to 5, b equal to 2. Like this you cannot write. When you run this, see you will get error. This is not allowed in Python. Hash means what? It's comment. I'm just giving this not allowed. So then multiple variables, how can we declare? A comma B equal to 5 comma 2. A comma B equal to 5 comma 2. It is allowed. It is allowed. But see, little confusing now it is. No problem. No confusion means no happy. Is allowed. But simply I'm writing A equals to 5 as we are in very initial stage. B equals to 2. B equals to 2. Now we are printing. Print. First A plus B. Like this, all we are printing A minus B. A multiplied with B. A divided by B. A mod B. I'm just checking how all arithmetic operators working. A double slash B. Now the code. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 into 2, 10. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Mod means what? Same, see, I have explained already here. This one. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 5 mod 2 is 2. Floor division, it's 2.5. Exponent like this is the 1. Okay. Here executing. Just I am giving like this. When we are executing, run it. You can see the output here. 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 minus 2, 3. 5 into 2, 10. 5 by 2, 2.5. Reminder 1. In 2.5 floor value is 2. 5 square. 5 into 5, 25. Please check this and change the values and check the output. A value and B value, please change it and check the outputs. Any question you can ask. In the chat box also you can drop the message. Once you have completed, please drop your message in the chat box. How to get ideally shells means just have you downloaded Krishna Python? Okay, it's very simple. Just open the Google and type Python download. Then you will It will show official website on the top. Just click on that, it will open. Here, download the Python. With one click, it will be downloaded. Once it is downloaded, then double click to run. Okay. After installation, when you search for IDLE, then it will open that IDLE. Please do download. Yeah. Okay, right. Now the questions will come. The third one, after performing arithmetic operations, the third question is just display the last digit of given number. So file name is a save as 3, third program. I'm saving as last digit. Saving as last digit. I'm taking one number n is equal to whatever the number we can take. Suppose 365. Sir, how I will get the last digit? Any number, you divide with a 10. You divide with a 10. Suppose 365. 36.5. But if you see the remainder, if you go with mod operation, 360. What is the result? What is the result? 5. Suppose 100 is there. 100. 365. 100. Divide with a 10. 10 tens 100. 10 tens 100. So that remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. That remainder is nothing but last digit. So any number, you perform mod operations. Why mod? Because we need remainder. Last digit is remainder. Last digit is remainder. That is number mod 10. Last digit is remainder. So I'm taking here simply n mod 10 will give you the last digit. I'm saving in this one. So I'm printing. See, print clearly given number. Now message I'm adding everyone. Here colon or equal to your wish, comma, n. Given number it will print. Last digit means D. D last digit. That will print. Run this. Look at this, given number is 365. Last digit is a 5. That is. Please do this. $25 number is a 5. See, suppose if you are taking 25, 10 is 25, 2 times 20. So that last digit is a 5. That is. If 3, number is 3, can you divide? No, 0 times 0. So last digit is a 3. Like this. All of you, please. Today we will complete all programs. What all the questions they will ask. on arithmetic operators I will complete. This finding the last digit and removing the last digit. These two simple concepts very important whenever we are working with while loop programs. What are while loop programs? Count number of digits, find the sum of digits, find the first digit, find the last digit, find the middle digit, count even digits, count odd digits, display highest digit, display lowest digit, reverse the number, palindrome number, strong number, Armstrong number, Adam number. These are the questions, while loop questions. Okay, for all these questions, you need to understand only 2 points: how to display the last digit and how to remove the last digit. Understand? That's why remember these two. N mod 10 means it will return the last digit. Others also please complete and check the output. Everyone please check the output. Please drop the message because I need to understand how much you are getting. Right. Now the next question is remove the last digit. Remove. So file. Now I am saving as. The question is a fourth question. Remove last digit. Same 365. If you do this here, remove the last digit means is the same one. 10, 365. If you use divided by operator, our problem is if you use 365 by 10, you will get the output is 36.5. 36.5 because here it will check like this: 36.5 times is 365 and no reminder is 0. If you use reminder operator, happy. Now we know we need 36. So we know that instead of this, whenever we are using double slash, floor division, then you will get only integer part. Means the decimal part is removed completely. Yes, the floor division we have to use. So the same program now hope you will complete. What is that? 365 double slash. Now I'm giving like this. Into the same number only I'm storing. N, N. Okay. Now here, after removing last digit, again I'm displaying N only. N. Because I'm storing into the same variable only. I'm not taking other variable. When you run this, see, given number is 365. After removing the last digit is a 36. Please do this. Simple modification only. Those who completed, please do this. Find the sum of square and cube values of given number. First, take one number. Just find the square value, find the cube value, and find the sum of square and cube values. Print individuals. What is the given number? What is the square value? What is the cube value? And what is the sum value? Please do this. I'll explain. But those who already completed this program, you please try yourself and drop your code in the chat box. Yes. Now let me explain that. The fifth one, sum of square and cube I am writing. I'm taking one number. Simple number n equals to, I'm taking 5. How to find the square value? You can take n into n, will give you the square. Know why you are taking like this? Because already exponent is there. N power 2, like this. Hope you understood what I am saying. Next, cube value. You can take n into n into n. And again the question why you are taking like this, because exponent given. Cube equals to n into 3. You can take like this. Both are allowed. Sum is equal to square plus cube. So I'm printing everything. This given number is n. Square s cube. Variables here which one? Cube. Cu. Sum. Sum. So when you run this code, everything you will get. Given number is 5. Square value is of 25. Cube value is 125. Sum value is a 150. Like this. Yeah. Nice. Everyone, please do understand the simple questions. Right, perfect. And these are, for example, one more example I'm taking. File as a save as. Sixth one, the total salary we are finding. Total salary. If they give the basic salary, just basic, I'm taking. Anything, some salary I'm taking, like suppose 25,000 I'm taking. Then we are finding one by one. Right? First, HRA I'm finding. How much HRA? So for example, 15% of HRA. 15 by 100 you can write. Or simply, sir, why I'm writing 15 by 100? 0.15 I'm writing. It's nothing but 15 into basic salary, 25. DA is equal to, suppose 20% DA into basic salary. TA equals to, suppose 15% basic salary. Now the total salary equal to basic salary plus all allowances, HRA, DA and TA. Printing finally total salary is. Total we are printing. When you run the code, output is 37,500. One by one, if you want to display, yes, you can display. What is the basic? How much TA, how much DA, how much HRA, this much. Okay. Do this one. So everyone complete these arithmetic programs by today. In the next class, in the tomorrow class, I'll explain how to take the input and some of the conversion methods. Some conversions are there. After that, we will go with the relational operators. I already told you, every day we are concentrating on programming only. From the programs only, real-time programs only, we will learn the concepts here. Remember that. Okay. Today practice these things, just revise what are the arithmetic operators and where we can apply. Today we have seen only few. These things again we will combine with relational and we will combine with logical operators, everything. Okay, na? Once you complete this, you can leave for today. Tomorrow also join with the same link. Yeah, thank you, Dhyaneshwar. Tomorrow we meet at the same time with the same link. Okay. Yeah, thank you, Sai Sumasri. Bye, Krishna. Thank you, Chandu. Nice, Shika. Yes, you have completed, right? Yes. You can leave for today. Okay, okay. Yeah. I asked him to share all recordings. Today's everything. Yeah, I think others will get. Okay, today you will get the recording. No issues. Yes. Tomorrow we join with the same link. Okay. And meanwhile, you will get all recordings. Yeah, we use Anaconda. I mean, whenever we install Anaconda, in that spider will be installed. With the help of that IDE, we use. So once we go to that next level of application development, then we use Anaconda only. Thank you. Bye, Dilip. Have a good day.